Hi, we're Art and Bree. 4 years ago, we left the city to buy a 100-year-old farm to turn it into our own productive homestead where we can grow our own food, build a healthy life, and raise our kids just how we like. If you want to join us in our homesteading adventure on our small farm, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So they can drink here if they want. They can go out to the creek as well.
She might just go to me.
She might get close to you. Well, she's gonna stand right there and eat her food for now.
And then she will get close to me.
Well, she won't get close to you, but it's good to give her a little space, right? You can pet her when I'm here. Do you want to pet her gently? You can come pet her neck. Whoa. The pig nipple water is frozen again. Not a big surprise, and I'm not worried about it. It's just in the brutally cold times that once or twice a day I have to pour the pigs one little bucket of water. The nipple water works most days, even through the winter. Come on, go. Hers are in there. Gentle, gentle. Don't walk up behind your butt. The boys want to sled in the pasture. I've got to get the bowl out of the pasture though if they're going to sled in there. So I'm trying to offer them a little alfalfa. Hey, go! Hey, Ferdinand, come on! Come on.
Why are you going supposed to come in?
What?
Why are you going to come in?
Thank you. What a big helper you are. Hit it harder. Good job. Oh, they can drink water already. Good job. So far, I have not been able to get the bowl down. These boys really want to sled in the pasture. And even though this is pure entertainment, that's a good thing. And the snow's going to melt today, and who knows? It might snow next week, but we could have a winter with 3 snows, like 3 nice snows. Let's go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Oh, he's going to poop right in that hay. Why would you do that, dude? Come on. Let's go. He's not coming yet. Come on. I'll show this to him. You want to taste that? Come on, let's go. All right, he's coming down. All these goats and the cow has had alfalfa that I'm just going to give a bowl some. Come on. He's coming in. This is my least favorite place to work with a bowl in a confined space like this. What did you say?
Come in now.
Yes, you can come in now. Come on. Jump. Don't fall down. It's rough here.
I want to hold your hand.
So.
See, you love me. Oh.
Alright, let me get you your boots.
Yeah, that's fun, Dama.
Can the 3 of us do this?
I don't know.
Whoa.
Yeah, Todd.
Alright guys, see you in a minute. Have fun.
For the first time, I win.
You won. Did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
Good. She wants her mommy. hurry. All right, good job. Let's put that in a bag. Put that one, put the next one in the bag. Good job. Beautiful. Stuff it down there right along with the rest of that. We've got a big birthday party today, and so we're gathering some stuff from the camper and bringing it up to the Riddle house. And not least among those things is salad from the garden. The kale still looks beautiful, completely uncovered. Okay, it still looks pretty good. We do have some cold damage. You can see this right here is gonna go mushy. And then right through here. But a lot of it actually looks really, it looks pretty good. It's gonna go soon though, but we might get a couple more salads out of it. It'll take a little more washing and prep if any of those brown leaves get in there, so I'm gonna harvest it really carefully. I'm harvesting just like pairs of leaves or individual leaves. I would say this is really the day when our protection has failed and the lettuce has started to succumb to the cold. We just knew it was a matter of time. And now it's here, and we might get one more harvest out of here. But if we have another real hard freeze, that'll probably be it. I think that's all I'm gonna get for now. I'm gonna focus in on this other stuff that's in better condition. The spinach is looking great. Likewise, this cilantro is beautiful. So I'll just get a huge bunch of that, and Bree loves the cilantro in her salads. Beautiful, beautiful December harvest. All right guys, let's head back up to the house.
Welcome back.
Here you go. The lettuce was hard to harvest.
Oh, is it kind of done?
It's starting to get mushy,
Okay.
so I didn't get very much.
Okay.
Hi, Papa.
I'm not even out of my pajamas because I've been doing so much today. You ever have those days where you like get up and go and then you never change?
It's my birthday party.
Mm-hmm. Is it your birthday party?
Yeah.
All right, who wants to go to the Christmas parade?
Me.
Have you ever been to a Christmas parade?
Yeah.
Do you remember what it is?
No,
I don't think you do.
Happens.
I'm most excited to see his reaction to this Christmas parade.
I don't think he's ever been to one.
I don't think he has either. Really? Yeah, you got some candy? Thank you. Right, you have fun?
We got lots of candy.
You got lots of candy? And that's what it's all about, right? Did you have fun, Wilder?
Yeah.
All right,
Hey, do you want to see Joyful's birthday cake?
Yeah.
I'm not getting it out. That's the birthday cake, and then that's the cake pops cake.
What are cake pops?
So what the girls want to do is you stick a stick in them, like you can buy a special, like, I don't know, lollipop stick.
You make the dough and you mix it with frosting. Is that how you're
Yeah.
doing it? And then you roll it into balls.
Is that like a new trending thing that
Yeah.
I've never
But
heard
Grace
of
saw it
until
in her cookbook.
last week?
Yeah.
Grace saw it in her little cookbook that she likes.
Oh.
So then we'll melt some chocolate. When the girls get here, we'll melt chocolate and we have sprinkles so they can dip their own and decorate them themselves.
The salad turned out good, but not very lettucey.
I'm about to put some lettuce in it.
Oh, I see.
Well, this is a huge salad. That's fine. We'll eat
Your
it
mamas will probably eat it.
Yes.
And then your family can eat it.
Yeah, so I have some cranberries and
Very nice.
feta and pumpkin seeds.
Oh, I love these. It's a dress
I think
that
the wood is
spins.
probably thicker on this.
Girls' party starting, boys are headed out.
Boys are out.
You have a good night.
Good night.
See you later.
See See you guys later.
Love you. We are being banished to the camper.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it? Right? See that deer?
No.
There's a doe.
Yeah, I see.
There's a doe out there.
They're going to outside the
Okay, we're at the camper. The animal chores have been done. What else? We cleaned up. We're baking some pizza because that's what the girls are having at their birthday party. Is it good? Are we having...
This is all my thumbs up.
All your thumbs up. Are we having a good boys party down here?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, I found these nasty bananas in the camper. These are going to the pigs. And guys, sit tight. I've got 2 surprises for you. Just wait right there. Alright, I'll get you the first one right now. Here's the first surprise. Popping paper. Take this surprise. Here you go. It's the biggest piece of Mama actually tried this. She thought those boys would have a great time playing with it. You like that? What? Pretty fun. What do you think, Wilder? Alright guys, I'm taking these bananas to the pig. I'll be back with your second surprise in just a second. Alright, here's the second surprise. Grandma made us a pie! She made us a peanut butter chocolate pie. This is a unique recipe and it has an ingredient in it you won't be able to guess even when I let you taste it, if I could let you taste it. Put the poppies away, guys. Put the poppies away. Alright, let's go, guys. Sit down at the table, we'll eat our pie. Okay, the story with this pie is it's not just a chocolate peanut butter pie. It has a secret ingredient. Something that to some people is a joke. They make a joke about it. And to some people it's disgusting. Now, my sisters or my mom dug this out of some magazine, clipped it out of a magazine, saved it, and over the years, when we were young, I think it was my older sister perfected this with honey as the only sweetener. And she did an amazing job modifying it and then testing it over and over again so it was just right. So the story is one day my granddad came over for supper and we served him this pie because he really liked chocolate, I guess. But he wasn't a fan of the ingredient. That's the secret ingredient in it. And so we didn't tell him. And he ate it. We said, "What did you think about it?" We were all smiling around the table. All right, guys, I got your pie. Are you excited? Here you go.
Thank you.
You are welcome. So my granddad sits down, eats the pie. He loves it. This is amazing. It's so creamy. Frozen between frozen Reese's and chocolate milk. The secret ingredient is tofu. It's tofu, which is a soy product, which I actually like, but a lot of people don't like it. So he played along, and it was a pretty good joke, really. And he did like the pie, and he was shocked that it had tofu in it, or surprised at least. And the cool thing about the tofu is it makes it creamy without a bunch of fat, and it has a ton of protein in it. Anyway, if you're a fan of soy at all, incredible pie.
Some more pie.
More pie? Nope, not right now. Alrighty, we've had a great evening. We watched the dinosaur show, and now it's time to go to bed. And I think everyone...
Dinosaur thing too.
Everyone is tired enough to go to bed. So we're going to shut this video down. Guys, thanks for joining us for this day. We had an awesome time. It was a great Saturday. And we'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.